Hello, my name is Matthew Mills and I'll be talking about the use of stem cell research. Stem cells should be used to help people with problems that cannot normally be treated by normal medical means. Some injuries, such as a snapped spinal cord, cannot be healed, but the cool thing about stem cells is that they can rebuild any part of the human body. This is, however, a fairly new field of research. But why would a person not want the chance to heal from a life-altering wound? A stem cell is an unspecialized cell that can divide and make an unlimited amount of itself to replenish other cells around it. Stem cells can be collected from human embryos. Because stem cells are the cells that start off by multiplying, picking specific jobs in the body, and eventually making babies, they can, under certain circumstances, change into tissue or organ cells with specific functions. That means that if a scientist puts a stem cell in the heart, it would eventually become a heart cell. A researcher has shown in some organs stem cells can divide to replace and repair worn out or damaged cells. Not using something that possibly could help someone is in itself morally wrong. If a person can be helped and is willing to accept the risk behind the surgery, why not allow it? If there was a person who broke their back and ended up cutting their spinal cord, which in humans can lead to paralysis, then they should be allowed to be healed. Stem cells today are being used in the treatment of diabetes in animals and has been being pushed forward to the use in humans. Diabetes causes damage to many systems in the human body, and stem cells from cord blood have been recently shown to reverse even type 1 diabetes. This proves that stem cell research can be used, while it may be risky as any new field and has its faults. Even still, it should be used to help people. Let's say that a doctor makes an experimental cure for cancer. Then they would obviously give it to people with no other option. An obvious choice for the person. A similar scenario is that if a person has no other option but from being paralyzed from a spinal cord injury, then why not try an experimental stem cell research therapy? Then they would obviously get treated for it and hopefully be healed. All in all, stem cells should be researched further to discern all of their health benefits. Until it has fully been researched, stem cells should be used in new and experimental medical practices to prove exactly how helpful they are and to see how far they can be used on human beings. Thank you, and I hope you think about the use of stem cell research.